Reading out of the middle of a big book, so don't even try to understand, but you can maybe get a little sense of the feeling. And this chapter is called Not Knowing. And I may stand up. I feel a little taller when I stand up. I didn't know what to believe or not to believe, or what belief even means while hearing these words, those spoken directly to me in my monastic cell, those that came in visions or dreams, nor those we would translate later with the help of the learned sage women. What does belief have to do with any of it enduring sound? I would often talk to myself like this. This is enduring sound speaking, I will say that. What does belief have to do with any of it enduring sound? I would often ask myself, as I often speak to myself in this way, especially staring out at the boundless sea at night, and then back at the dragon and elephant carvings around the cave of these hills and mountains. Yet with the temple sweeper's departure from his body, some of the other monks began to experience the same dreams. He himself had foretold this. Of course, it is impossible to say now what I actually felt or thought, much less believe, through those seemingly endless nights of sitting with the temple sweeper, nor when I escorted him to the graves and he began to train me in the art of caring for the graves. I only know the reverence I had for him then as I do now. And if nothing else, nothing other, this is clear to me. Our temple sweeper is not dead. It is true. His body is no longer sweeping the courtyard or the meditation hall. Yet his manifestations rise in all of us monks as we walk in the orchard, stand in the hills, sit and stand in the meditation hall. He appears in the clouds, over the cliffs, by the river, streaming into the sea. And whenever doubts arise to question me, the ghost woman and her daughter arrive to bring me their assurances.